For the painter.
And what else you gonna buy us?
Them cards and them heads and them mouth and them shoulders.
You gonna buy some shoulders?
Yep, and the mouth and some shoulders.
That's it?
Yep.
You gonna buy some lotion?
Yep. Them.
How many lotions?
This lotion and this lotion.
How many is that?
3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's 9?
Yep. Just when I count on my finger, it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9?
Yep.
That's it?
Yep. I'm by everybody them. I have to buy everybody them notes after I ask.
If we gotta ask you for some lotion first?
Yep.
And then you gonna buy some lotion?
Yep. I'm saying yeah.
You gonna say yeah?
Yep.
We gonna use the same lotion like you?
Yep.
What kind of lotion you use?
I'm getting them all like that. And you getting the big one, Mama.
Why, Mama get the big lotion?
Yep.
What kind of lotion you get?
Tomorrow.
Why you get small lotion? You use lotion every day.
Cause I'm all.
But you need a big lotion because you use so much lotion.
But I don't need the big lotion.
Why not?
Come on.
But just because you small, you use lotion every single day. So you need a lot of lotion.
I mean, this lotion, like this lotion.
Like your big baby magic lotion?
Yeah.
You need a big one.
Like you.
Yeah, you need a big one like Mama.
But I get a big one like you.
Mama don't use baby magic. Mama use Victoria's Secret.
Me too.
You can't use that lotion. That smells good lotion for women.
But you,
Yeah, you got to use the baby lotion, the baby magic.
the baby one?
Yeah, because you still a baby, ain't you?
Yeah.
I thought you was a big boy.
Mommy.
But you just said you a baby. Why you hugging all on your mama? You a big boy or a baby?
A big boy.
What do big boys do?
Don't cry.
Don't cry. Because big boys don't cry no more. Who cry?
Nobody cry.
You be crying.
Cause God always hitting me.
You always messing with Kai.
But he always hit me past he can.
But you always messing with him. That's why he be hitting you.
And I throw the toy at him.
Yeah, you be throwing toys at him.
And my sister told me to he back.
Your Titi told you to hit him back.
Yep.
Why?
Cause when he hit me.
You love your brother?
Yep.
Why you be hitting on your brother then?
Cause my sister told me.
Your Titi don't tell you to hit your brother all the time. No, she don't.
Her always telling me. Her always telling me to tell me the shit car.
Are you tired of talking?
Yep.
You talk a lot, you know that.
I know when you back our booty this time.
Huh?
You know when you back our booty this time.
Huh?
You know when you back our booty this time.
When I slapped on the booty?
Yeah.
What?
You got it hard.
I slapped him hard on his booty.
Yeah.
Was he crying?
Nope.
Kai don't cry a lot, do he?
Nope.
Kai a big boy, huh?
Mama, you pop me butt. I'm bad. I'm not gonna cry.
You a crybaby though.
Oh, you pat my booty. I'm not gonna cry.
Yes, you are.
Cause
that's all you do is cry. You was finna cry today when you couldn't get in the car, remember?
Cause car.
Kai ain't had nothing to do with you getting in the car.
But he always hit me.
How he always hitting you?
Cause he hit me. Ow. I just got.
But he didn't hit you this time.
Yes, he did. He just hit me back.
Why you slapping yourself?
Cause God the tip.
That's how Kai be hitting you?
Yep.
Okay. You ready for bed?
Yeah.
Okay, say good night.
Good night.
Good night. Love you.
Love you.